The FB Mondial Piega 452 is not just another motorcycle, it's a bold statement, a reawakening of a historic nameplate, and a testament to the enduring allure of Italian motorcycle design. It's a machine that aims to bridge the gap between classic aesthetics and modern performance, offering a compelling package for riders seeking a unique and engaging riding experience. The Piega 452 is more than just a retro-styled motorcycle, it's a contemporary interpretation of a racing heritage, designed to capture the spirit of FB Mondial's past while embracing the advancements of modern motorcycling. It's a motorcycle that promises to deliver a thrilling blend of style, agility, and performance. The FB Mondial SMX Enduro 125 isn't just a beginner's motorcycle, it's a gateway to adventure, a versatile machine designed to introduce riders to the exhilarating world of off-road exploration. FB Mondial boasts a rich and storied history in the world of motorcycling, particularly in racing. The brand achieved significant success in the 1950s, winning multiple world championships and establishing a reputation for producing high-performance machines. The Piega 452 is a direct descendant of this racing heritage, drawing inspiration from the iconic FB Mondial motorcycles of that era. It's a machine that carries the weight of this legacy, designed to inspire riders to connect with the brand's rich history. The Piega 452's design is a striking blend of classic and contemporary elements, creating a visually captivating motorcycle that's both elegant and aggressive. The sculpted lines of the bodywork, the sharp angles of the fairing, and the exposed trellis frame all contribute to its unique and dynamic aesthetic. It's a motorcycle that's designed to be admired, a rolling work of art that showcases the brand's commitment to design excellence. The Piega 452 is powered by a modern, liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine, designed to deliver a balance of performance and efficiency. While specific engine details may vary depending on the final production specifications, the focus is on delivering smooth, usable power and a characterful riding experience. It's an engine that's designed to be both enjoyable and reliable, capable of handling the demands of modern riding. It's a motorcycle that combines classic enduro styling with modern reliability and accessibility, making it an ideal choice for those seeking to discover the thrill of trail riding. The SMX Enduro 125's design is distinctly enduro, with its high front fender, knobby tires, and slim profile. It's a motorcycle that looks ready for adventure, with its rugged lines and purposeful stance. The design is both functional and stylish, with every element serving a specific purpose. It's a motorcycle that's designed to handle the demands of off-road riding. The SMX Enduro 125 is powered by a reliable and fuel-efficient 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, designed to deliver smooth, usable power. It's an engine that's ideal for beginners, providing enough power for off-road exploration without being overwhelming. The focus is on delivering a manageable and predictable power delivery, making the motorcycle easy to control in a variety of conditions. The SMX Enduro 125 represents a commitment to inspiring a new generation of off-road riders. It's a motorcycle that's designed to be accessible and enjoyable, making it a great choice for riders who are new to the sport. It's a motorcycle that aims to ignite a passion for off-road riding.